This is a pretty autumn card that I made that it uses some non-traditional autumn colors. And I got the inspiration for this card from the team of stampers that I belong to. And so I just went ahead and copied it. I made a few changes of colors to match the products that I had. But it shows you how you can use inspiration from somebody else and then make it your own. So I love that that's the Mossy Meadow green and then adding the Lost Lagoon blue with it, and they actually look really pretty together in person. So I will have close-up pictures and all the products and colors and everything listed on my website. You can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I will have it all on there for you. I'll have everything, links like to this blend marker here that I'm doing and the ribbon and everything there for you. So this is a really neat look, just outlining it, kind of giving it some accent. It just really added a flair to those leaves that I just thought was awesome. So we're adding it to some of the soft seafoam green, which is a really light green, and this whole combo is just so pretty. I never would have thought of this color combination on my own. And the beautiful Changing Leaves hybrid embossing folder, and that's going to be back in stock right away, actually. And so definitely keep your eyes open for it. It is spectacular. And we'll add a little sentiment there and we're done. So hop on over to madetocreatewithlisa.com and I'll be back soon with more ideas.